How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video, it's going to be the small scale group build that me and Brian put on, Mr. BG, and then it all run through the month of February. We had so many people respond to this video and everything that this group build that some of these guys didn't even have channels. So this video is just going to be the final builds of the guys that didn't have a channel. I told them that I would make a video with their builds on it, and that's what I'm going to do. And this is what this video is. And before I get started, guys, anybody out there that has never had a channel, don't have a channel, I mean, guys, it's not hard to do. I do it on my cell phone, so I'm just an old redneck from Arkansas, and if anybody can do it, if I can do it, anybody can. I mean, simple as that. I don't edit, I don't do no fancy stuff. What I do, everything's pretty much from my phone. I download it to the computer, and I have a movie maker thing, and I just download it to that, and I put it on, and that's how y'all see it every time. Yeah, I mean, I could get fancy, but I'm not technologically very good at anything. My son, he don't even live here. He lives in a town over, about an hour or so away from here, and he has to come down half the time and help me set anything up or do anything. My youngest son lives in New York, so there's no way he can help me unless it's over the phone. So, I don't do a whole lot of fancy stuff, and believe me, I got a lot of friends and buddies that do, and they do an excellent job, and y'all can get into that if you want. If you don't want to, you can be just like me and just do it from your phone and call it good. You can do it from your phone, you can do it from a GoPro, you can do it from a regular camera. It's not that hard to do. If I can do it, you can do it. But with that being said, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers, and if it wasn't for y'all, I would not have a channel. And if you're not a subscriber, it's free. And always hit that like button. Share if you want to. Alright, I'm going to name these guys off, and then I'm going to show their pictures. It's just pictures. They didn't put a video, of course, of their builds, and probably some of them's even got the steps to where they started and everything. I'm going to put that on there. So that's what it'll be. So very first one will be like Worm Killer Dan. Buddy of mine, I think he lives up in Missouri. Daniel Gregory, and he has built a Matchbox Aston Martin. I can't remember what year model it is. I built one myself. It's in this display case, and I got one unbuilt down there. Then we got Roy Tolley. He has built the Atlantis tanker truck. Was that a Fruhall or something? I can't remember. It's a old Revell. It's 1/48 scale. Old Revell in Atlantis has redone it in the mobile. No, it's not mobile. Or is it mobile? I can't remember. Sinclair truck. I think he did his in the military truck. Okay. And then I got my buddy Mark Weldon. He lives up in Canada, and he did a Airfix 132 scale Escort MK1. He has made into a rally car. And then my buddy George Woods, which after this video, there will probably be another video, my buddy George, I go to his house, and we have little sessions and stuff. Y'all see it on here. We have series on here where we go through some of his collection or his past builds, his Matchbox stuff, whatever. Well, he had built a Lindbergh, I think it's 50 Chevy, and I got a final picture on it. That's Glue Bomb King. He comments on here and stuff, but he don't have a channel. Jay Kessler, I hope I'm saying that right. I think his is the Revell. It's either a Revell monogram 132 scale Corvette, and he's done an excellent job on it. And my home squatch Skinnerd skillet, Dougie, he has sent me pictures. So even though he's got a channel and y'all seen it, I'm gonna put his pictures on here. And with that being said, here's the video. Stick around. The video's after this of the pictures. Enjoy.